Why do we snore? Snoring is a loud, hoarse, or harsh breathing, vibratory sound that happens while one is asleep. Snoring is normally not harmful and is quite normal. As a matter of fact, most healthy people do snore. If, however, snoring gets to the point where it becomes extremely loud and disruptive to others, then this is now considered abnormal. Snoring refers to a vibration in the airway connecting the nose and the mouth, a vibration that can emerge through the mouth, the nose, or through both. The tissues in the airway are very soft and at night become relaxed. The airway becomes narrower and hence snoring occurs. We often snore when we have a cold because of blocked nasal airways. We would then breathe through our mouth, causing negative pressure behind the uvula and soft palate, and this helps to create the sound of snoring. Snoring can also be caused if the nose has any deformities in the nose.